Question 8a. Lami bought a book for 300 naira and sold it to Bola at a profit of X%. Bola then sold the same book to James at a profit of X%. If James paid 6x plus 3/4 more for the book than what Lami paid, find the value of S. The whole transaction begins with Lami. The amount he or she bought the book, that is a cost price, is equal to 300 naira. So we get the selling price. Selling price is the cost price plus the profit made. Remember, the profit made is on the cost price. So the selling price is 300 plus X% of the cost price, 300. If you simplify this part, you have 300 plus S over 100 times 300. That simplifies to 300 plus 3s naira as the selling price. The selling price for Lami become the cost price for Bola, which is this. Now Bola also made a profit of X% on the cost price. So Bola's selling price is equal to cost price plus the profit made. The cost price is 300 plus 3s and the profit is S% of the cost price. S% means S over 100 times the cost price. If simplify further, you have 300 plus S, then plus S over 100 times 300, that is 3s. S over 100 times 3s, you have 3s squared over 100. Following the highest power of the letter, you have 3s squared over 100 plus 6s plus 300. If you add 3s and 3s, you have 6s. Now to James. The selling price for Bola becomes the cost price, the amount that James bought the same book. But James paid 6s plus 3/4 more than what Lami paid. Meanwhile, Lami paid 300 naira. So if James paid this more, you have to add it to what Lami paid, and it's equal to the cost price for James. So we have an equation. So let's simplify if we have quadratic or linear equation. So first, let's transfer all the terms to one side because we are already suspecting quadratic equation because of 3s squared over 100. If you transfer all the terms, you have it this way, and you can see that plus 6s minus 6s is 0, plus 300 minus 300 is 0. You are left with 3s squared over 100 minus 3/4 equal to 0. So let's clear the fractions by multiplying through by 100. So you have 3s squared. You multiply this term by 100. Divide 100 by 4 is 25 times 3. You have 75 equal to 0. If you collect like terms or you transfer this term, if you transfer it, you have s squared equal to 75. Divide through by 3. So you have 3s squared equal to 75. Divide through by 3. You have s squared equal to 25. To get s, find the square root of both sides. So s is equal to square root of 25, and that is 5. That is 5. We did it this way because we are not interested in the negative value of s, so we just take it direct. Question 8b. Find the range of values of s which satisfies the inequality. You have 3s minus 2 less than 10 plus s less than 2 plus 5s. You cannot obtain a direct solution with this form of inequality. It has three parts. For you to solve easily, you have to break it down. The middle term, 10 plus s, connects the first term and third term. If you break it down, first term and second term forms one inequality, second term and third term forms another inequality. So you solve them respectively by collecting like terms. When you do that, you have s less than equal to 6. But let's come here. If you collect like terms, you have minus 4s less than minus 8. If you divide through by minus 4, anytime you divide or multiply an inequality statement with a negative number, the sign always changes. So this less than becomes greater than, and this implies that 2 is less than s. Now for us to write the range, a number must come first, followed by s and the other number. So we have to start with this, with the second solution, that is 2 less than s less than 6, less than 6. So the range can be s less than 6 or s greater than 2. But putting it together, you need to reverse this to 2 less than s, so that you have 2 less than s less than 6 as the range of values of s which satisfies the inequality.